Good morning, class.
Bonjour, Monsieur.
In today's lesson, we are going to learn about the use of the verb to have and to be in present tense in French. D'accord?
D'accord, Monsieur.
Let's start with to have. Can you tell me how to say to have in French?
To have in French is avoir.
Très bien.
But, Monsieur, I have a question.
Ok, pose-la.
To have is actually two words. Why is it that in French it is only one word?
Bonne question. To is a mark of the infinitive in English, but in French, the infinitive is formed differently. It forms one word with a verb. C'est clair?
Oui, Monsieur, merci.
De rien. Now, let's conjugate the verb avoir. At the present tense, can you give a try?
Okay. Avoir au présent is je suis.
Non.
Oui, j'ai.
Très bien, j'ai. Ok, continuons, non?
Tu as, il a, elle a, nous allons.
Non, pas.
Nous avons.
Très bien.
Vous avez.
Ok,
Il ou elle ont.
très bien. Now, let's see the verb to be. Can you say something about it?
To be in French is être.
Okay, so it's être. Encore?
Être.
Très bien.
And at the present tense, it goes like this. Je suis.
Ok,
Tu es.
ok,
Il ou elle est.
ok.
Nous sommes.
Mhm,
Vous êtes.
mhm.
Ils ou elles sont.
Très bien. Maintenant, faisons un petit exercice. Now, let's do a little translation exercise. Are you ready?
Oui, monsieur.
Yeah. How will you say in French, I have 3 brothers?
Easy. J'ai trois frères.
Très bien. J'ai 3 frères. Now, what about you are smart?
Tu es intelligent.
Très bien. Super. What about I am 15 years old?
Je suis 15 ans.
Non, désolé. You have to say j'ai 15 ans.
Why? I thought I am was je suis.
Yes, I am still je suis. The thing is, in French, the way to give the age and some other common phrases are actually idiomatic expressions. In English, they are formed with to be, but in French, they go with to have.
Wow. That would be very confusing. Can you tell us what these phrases are?
Sure, there are many, but let's look at these ones. To be in need of would be avoir besoin. To be hot, to say I'm feeling hot. Say avoir chaud. To be hungry, avoir faim. To be cold, avoir froid. To be ashamed, avoir honte. To be hurt, avoir mal. To be right, avoir raison. To be thirsty, avoir soif. To be wrong, avoir tort. To be afraid, avoir peur. Now, tell me, how will you say he is right?
He a raison.
Excellent. What about I'm tired?
Ha ha ha. I am afraid this is a trap.
Essaye.
Je suis fatigué.
Très bien. Fatigué or to be tired is not part of the idiomatic expression. Now, lastly, how will you say I'm not afraid?
Okay. Afraid is part of the expression, so it goes with avoir, not être. At the positive form, it will be j'ai peur.
J'ai peur.
J'ai peur. So I am not afraid will be je n'ai pas peur.
Très bien. Très bon raisonnement. Now, practice to memorize this idiomatic expression. À très bientôt.
Au revoir,
Au
messieurs.
revoir.